Hello students, in this lesson of programming using C, we will learn about functions. A function is a block of code that performs a specific task. It has a name and it is reusable. It can be executed from as many different parts in a program as required. It can also return a value to a calling program. All executable code resides within a function. It takes input, does something with it, and then gives the answer. A computer program cannot handle all the tasks by itself. It requests other program like entities called functions in C. We pass information to the function called arguments, which specify when the function is called. A function either can return a value or return nothing. Function is a subprogram that helps reduce coding. Actual and formal parameters. Actual parameters. The list of variables in calling function is known as actual parameters. Actual parameters are variables that are declared in function call. Actual parameters are passed without using type. One of examples of actual parameters is shown on the screen. Formal parameter. In the list of variables in call function is known as formal parameters. Formal parameters are variables that are declared in the header of the function definition. Formal parameters have type preceding with them. We have an example of formal parameter on the screen. Methods of parameter passing to functions. Most programming languages have two strategies to pass parameters. They are pass by value and pass by reference. Pass by value or call by value. In this method, calling function sends a copy of actual values to called function, but the changes is called function does not reflect the original values of calling function. Pass by reference or call by address. In this method, calling function sends address of actual values as a parameter to the call function. Call function performs the task and sends the result back to the calling function. Thus, the changes in call function reflect the original values of calling function. To return multiple values from called to calling function, we use pointer variables. Calling function needs to pass AND operator along with actual arguments, and called function needs to use star operator along with formal arguments. Changing data through an address variable is known as indirect access, and star is presented as indirection operator. Recursion versus iteration. Recursive version of a program is slower than the iterative version of a program due to overhead of maintaining task stack. Recursive version of a program uses more memory than iterative version of a program. Sometimes recursive version of a program is simpler to understand than iterative version of a program. This was it. Thank you.